Hai no hai kulungkani channel ongkai faidi nailai ne tini omong kangkai kaisa work interview ongnai omong kangkai naiti application in plain paper are hereby invited from the Indian National for filling up the following post. Omongkai KGBP under Gumoti district o tlanjangnai part-time teacher iko naidi school bumung rojaka Patichari High School o jaga tongo kaisa borno rojangnai 10,000 khaioi engka ta kise tongo Hajasari High School oro bo same no ekta no 10,000 kai rojangnai ta kisa Lakshmanpara High School engka o jaga qualification tamona angkai BSc graduate in any discipline from recognized university engka desirable chanjaka ro desirable qualification chanjaka diploma or certificate course in music, sports, computer application, dance, painting, others strong bagay bo. Engkay preference rejak ko jaga engkay je qualification oro je qualification tongne por preference rejak nai. Engkay BPC ni bagay engkay korbok oro khai 3 tarik January 2022 11ta ni simi chengnai interview ganorok thangdi engkay tekesa engkay BPC kila amuka 4 tarik chengnai omo ba 11ta ni simino engkor kisa term and condition rujaka naidi only female candidate can apply for the post oro bwrui engkay se raimanai bwrui simi raimanai cholaro raimangla engkay naidi ko interview board on sajaka oro omo BPC kilao thangai noro interview marinai je bwrui omo actually bwrui rok simino engkai ready norok ango notification bo ang ri rwana ni description link ko engkai tini bagai amsung noro ani channel lo ketal engka ba subscribe haidi engkai tebo ketal job advertisement tai online information related video mana bagai ani channel no subscribe haidi tai share haidi engkai tini bagai amsung no jotono no hambai